made some holes when we played together. Let's peel off this shoji. This is a Japanese sliding screen, usually called shoji. It's a traditional feature in Japanese homes that not only divides rooms, but also diffuses light in a very subtle and atmospheric way. We're gonna play all this. A shoji screen is a traditional Japanese room divider made of translucent paper over a wooden frame. It's used for both privacy and to add an aesthetic element to a room. He lost so many times. Right, AC? Yeah. We are almost done. Almost all of the shoji paper has come off. And next, we will clean the wooden flecks by this towel. Doesn't come out. Doesn't come out. Doesn't come off. Oh my gosh. Alright, alright.
Take care.
This wooden frame will be dry outside before the new shoji screens are applied. 10 minutes passed. We are going to put on a new shoji screen by this glue and this new shoji paper. No, it won't. Wow. We have finished painting all over the glue. And we're going to place the new shoji paper to the wooden frame. Let's do it. We're done. Yeah. The glue has dried up. We will cut off the unneeded portion. Okay. Repairing Shoji was so fun!
If we make a hole again, we will repair it.